Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store using the Loox app. So if you're watching this tutorial, I am assuming that you have already installed the Loox app, you have selected the plan, you have installed the widgets, integrated the widgets, and then you're ready to import the reviews. So what you have to do, you have to click on reviews, and then from there you have to select AliExpress from review widgets. You have you have to click on import reviews, and then you have to select AliExpress. Then you will see this button, and below that you will see the you can see the instructions drag. You just have to drag this button and drop it in the bookmark, so it looks like this. So I've imported multiple times, so I will delete one. So once you see this button, you have to open the AliExpress product from which you want to import the products. So you just have to click this button, no complexity. You just have to click this button, and then a drop down will appear. So you have to select the product for which you want to import the reviews, and then I will select this product, and I want to import only 20 reviews. So rating should be 4 star and up, and all countries to English, translate automatically to English, and then fetch more recent reviews. No, only reviews when no. I want to import every type of review, but it should be like 4 stars and above. And I will click on preview and import. So it will show us all the reviews that we want to import it or reject. So I want to import this review. I want to import this one. I want to import this one. I want to import this one. I'm happy with this one. I'm happy with this one. I'm not happy with this one. I will reject it. I will click on import, 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 and this whole cycle will continue. But I think it's enough reviews for now. I'll just click on 20 reviews, and out of 20, I'm happy with how much reviews I have imported. So I will click on finish importing. So it will show loops import complete. So let's see if they are imported or not. You just have to go to reviews and click on manage reviews and see if the reviews have been increased or not. So as you can see, the reviews have been uploaded, and we can search by product name 2TB. So this was our product. We just want to see if the product reviews are, so as you can see, the 9 reviews for our product have been imported, and they include the picture reviews. So they're already published on our store. We can verify it as well. Click on sales channel and online store. So let's see. I opened the product in my Shopify store, and I'm scrolling down. And as you can see, 9 reviews have been imported, and pictures are also showing well. So our process is complete. I hope the things are clear. And if you found an issue, let me know, and I will try to answer every question of you. Thank you very much.